Hello dear fans. What is the Earth's crust? Geology is one of those amazingly fascinating sciences that, unfortunately, are unreasonably neglected. Geology not only studies the structure of the planet, but also makes it possible to predict the coming cataclysms caused, for example, by the movement of the Earth's crust. Instructions. Step 1. The Earth's crust, geosphere, is called the hard shell of our planet. Most of it is located under the hydrosphere, because the oceans occupy a large land surface, and the atmosphere acts on a smaller surface. There is a mantle under the Earth's crust. It is much denser and consists mostly of refractory elements. Step 2. The Earth's crust can be divided into continental and oceanic. The crust of the ocean is considered relatively young. The most ancient sites, according to scientists, were formed during the Jurassic period. The ocean crust is mostly basaltic. It is formed from the mid-Atlantic ridges, diverges to the sides from their location, and in some zones plunges into the mantle. Step 3. The oceanic crust can be attributed to the ocean lithosphere. In the places where the mid-Atlantic ridges are located, the lithospheric layer may be almost absent. Its thickness depends precisely on age, in contrast to the crust itself. However, the further the lithosphere moves away from the mid-Atlantic ridges, the more its thickness grows, then the rate of increase decreases. Step 4. On average, the thickness of the oceanic crust is about 5 to 7 kilometers. The thickness of the ocean crust remains almost unchanged, because it is determined by the amount of alloy released from the mantle where the mid-Atlantic ridges are located, and the thickness of the sediment at the bottom also affects. Step 5. The continental crust is mainly under the upper layer, which consists of gneisses and granites. It has an ancient history and has a low density. Its usual structure consists of 3 layers. The layer that is on top is formed by sedimentary rocks. Most of the rocks were formed a long time ago, about 3 billion years ago. Below this layer is the Earth's crust itself, which consists of special rocks such as granulites and the like. Step 6. The bark can only move horizontally or vertically. Chemical, radioactive and thermal reactions cause the lithosphere to vibrate. Modern scientists believe that all the continents familiar to people arose after the horizontal displacement of the plates of the lithosphere. Step 7. The displacement of the plates of the lithosphere is called horizontal movement. Vertical movements of the Earth's crust are called radical. These movements are characterized by the rise or fall of the Earth's crust. They very often occur after strong earthquakes. The processes occurring with the Earth's crust are irreversible. Thanks for watching.